Hello and welcome to Test Automation Central. In this video, we are going to discuss on Java program to count digits, letter, white spaces, and special characters in a string. So here we have a string Test Automation Central with some special character, white spaces, and digits. So let's start. So let's initialize the variables for digits, white spaces, and letters. Now we will iterate each of the characters of string str using enhanced for loop. Write the for loop and initial char ch. Now we will convert the string to two char array, and let's write if condition. If we will use character dot is letter, then we will increment the value of letter. The else if condition character dot is white space, and increment the value by one. First we'll pass the character, then white space plus plus, else if character dot is digit as ch, and increment the value of digits by 1, this digit plus plus. Then finally else will, if it is not any of the letters white space or digit, then it will be a special character. So we will increment special by 1, print the values. Now let's run this program. So we can see the number of digits are 5, number of letters are 21, number of white spaces are 6, and number of special characters are 5. Thank you for watching Test Automation Central.